In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to HubSpot. Connecting your inbox lets HubSpot automatically log the emails you send, track opens if you choose, and makes it easier to send messages right from the CRM. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account and that you know which Gmail account you want to connect. Using an up-to-date browser and allowing pop-ups for HubSpot and Google will make the process smooth. Start in HubSpot. Look to the top right corner for the gear icon to open Settings. In the left sidebar, open the General section and then click the Email tab. This is where all of your personal email settings live. Next, click Connect Personal Email. This option is for an individual inbox that you use to communicate with contacts, and it works perfectly with Gmail. When prompted, enter your Gmail address and continue. HubSpot will direct you to Google to confirm the connection. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, choose the correct account. Otherwise, sign into Gmail as you normally would. Google will show a permission screen explaining what HubSpot is asking to access, such as sending email on your behalf and viewing mail for logging. Review the details and click Allow to proceed. This secure handshake uses Google's OAuth, so you never share your password directly with HubSpot. You'll be brought back to HubSpot to finish the setup. Here, you may see options related to logging and tracking, default behavior for new emails, and how contacts are created from incoming messages. Choose the preferences that match your workflow. You can always adjust them later in the same Email tab if your needs change. If you encounter a message about blocked pop-ups or cookies, enable them for HubSpot and try again. Also, if you manage multiple Google profiles in your browser, double-check you connected the intended inbox. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation that your Gmail is connected. From now on, you can compose emails directly in HubSpot with your Gmail address, and your conversations can be logged to contact timelines to keep your team aligned. And that's it. You clicked Settings, went to General, opened the Email tab, selected Connect Personal Email, entered your Gmail, and completed the setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined workflow with Gmail and HubSpot working together. If this helped, you're all set to start emailing from your CRM with confidence.